Maintaining good health is crucial, especially for employees who may spend a significant amount of time sitting at a desk or working in a sedentary environment. Here are 7 health tips and advice for employees. 1. Regular physical activity. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Take short breaks to stretch or walk around, especially if your job involves long periods of sitting. 2. Ergonomic workspace. Set up an ergonomic workspace to prevent strain on your body. Ensure your desk, chair, and computer are at the right height to support good posture. Use an adjustable chair and position your computer screen at eye level to reduce neck and back strain. 3. Healthy eating habits. Plan and prepare nutritious meals to fuel your day. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Limit the consumption of sugary drinks and excessive caffeine. 4. Manage stress. Find effective ways to manage stress, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga. Take short breaks to step away from work when needed. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. 5. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. 6. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular health checkups and screenings to monitor your overall health. Address any health concerns promptly and follow your healthcare provider's advice. 7. Social connections. Cultivate a supportive social network. Spend time with friends and family to foster positive relationships. Engage in social activities outside of work to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Remember that small, consistent changes in your daily routine can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. It's essential to prioritize your health to enhance your productivity and quality of life, both inside and outside the workplace. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and get notified. If you have any comments and suggestions, just comment down below and we'll work on it.